angels, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Thank you for joining me for this bag. I want to say unboxing, but it's really a reveal because I did go ahead and take a peek at this beauty. I couldn't wait for you girls this time. I'm sorry, I couldn't wait. I had to go ahead and take a look at this beauty. So this is my Valentine's Day bag for this year, and I'm really happy about it. So I'm going to go ahead and reveal her to you guys. So here she is right here. Go ahead and take her out. Like I said, I looked at her already. Just doing the reveal with you girls. And then we're going to talk about how I'm going to style her and wear her for Valentine's Day. So here she is, my beautiful Kingston. My beautiful, lovely Kingston, you girls. Let me go ahead and make some space for her. So here she is, my lovely Kingston. I'm so excited about this bag. I love red, and I absolutely love the red Florentine on Dooney and Bourke. So I do have a satchel in this lovely color, but I told you guys the story about my lovely Clayton. What happened to a Clayton that I had in the beautiful red Florentine. That's okay though, those are days of the past, and I'm just happy to be moving forward and continuing with my lovely collection here. This time I'm so happy that I went ahead and I picked up the lovely Kingston. So this is her, you girls. I don't know how she's looking on camera, but I'm absolutely loving her. I love the stitch detail on this bag. Just like with the Clayton, you get a lovely tassel, and then she has the stitching detail along the pocket, and then she has two side pockets right here, and then she also has two flat pockets that are very nice. They have a magnetic closure that close very easily with the magnet. It just finds itself and it'll close. And then she has this lovely equestrian strap right here that you can go ahead and adjust it. I'm not gonna adjust it yet. I'm gonna wait until I wear it a few times and see how low she falls on me and if I'm comfortable with her at this length. And if not, then I'll go ahead and adjust it and lower it, or lengthen it by one. But this is what she looks like. She's absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful baby right here. I love the leather on this bag. So I wanted to go ahead and pick her up, and I think she's gonna look so nice. And I have it all planned out with how I plan on wearing this bag. I love the leather on it, and I have it all planned out. I want to wear her with leather. So as you can see, let me move her over here. I have on a leather jacket, and I plan on wearing it. It's smooth leather. If you could see, it's smooth leather. Some of my other leather jackets are they're smooth as well, but this one like has a hood, and I want to be a little bit more sexy, a little bit more evening out, a little bit more nice for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to be going with smooth leather. So this jacket right here is all smooth leather when I go ahead and zip it up. So you can see this jacket right here is all smooth leather, and I'm going to go ahead and wear this with a few items that I have right here. So the first thing is, I have a few things I wanted to talk about. The first thing is these pants, these leather pants. Since I'm wearing the smooth leather jacket for Valentine's Day, these are Vince Camuto. So these are some Vince Camuto leather pants. Let me go ahead and show that to you. Hope you can see the tag right there says Vince Camuto. These are some Vince Camuto leather pants, and I plan on wearing this with these babies. So I plan on wearing these leather pants with my leather jacket right here. This is gonna be so nice. So black, all black leather right there. Vince Camuto. I'm gonna wear this. So I'm gonna wear my leather pants. I'm gonna wear my leather pants with my jacket. It's all bunched up because I'm sitting down. And then also, this I thought would be really nice. I thought this would be really nice to wear in my hair. I'm not gonna have my hair like this, but this is a leather look bandana. I thought that would look really nice with my hair. And then also, I just picked up a pair of leggings in blue jean denim. So I plan on wearing these with my lovely Clayton right here, and it's going to be a vibe for Valentine's Day. Me in my leather look with my red Clayton. Thank you girls for joining me for this reveal. I'll be back on camera to discuss my lovely Clayton some more, but I just wanted to come on camera today and talk to you girls about her because I was so happy to get her into my collection. The beautiful, beautiful Clayton in red. So pretty. It's interesting the different shades of the Dooney and Bourke red that you get. You know, all the bags come with different pebbling and different shades of the color. Just like with Coach, they come with different shades of the red. Here is the lovely interior. So, so beautiful. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos, more handbag videos, more Dooney and Bourke videos, as well as more unboxings and reveals. And I'll be back soon with another video. Bye.